Today I'm going to be doing a live example of a cash out on FreeCash. Your first cash out, you need about $20. I've earned about $20 in the past couple of days. As you can see here, $60 in the last 30, $415 in total earnings. So how I make money on FreeCash is by doing app offers, like this one for example. You get paid out $10 for logging in for 30 days. This one's in progress. I'll be able to log in another 6 hours. If you want a free $5 when you first sign up, click on the link in my description. Sign up for a couple of these apps and within 30 days you'll get a free cash out. So let me go over here to the cash out tab. I have $24 in my balance. I'm going to be withdrawing it to stake because there's a 30% bonus. And then from stake, I'll be able to withdraw it to my crypto wallet. But there's a bunch of different other cash out options. Like I can just withdraw it directly to an Apple gift card or a Visa card, Amazon, or a cryptocurrency of my choice. But for this example, I'm going to use stake. So I'm going to just choose the max amount. As you can see, I'll get $31 even though I have 24 in the balance, and I'll click on withdraw. Now it's pending review, so this will probably take about 2 or 3 minutes. For your first cash out, it does take a little bit longer to confirm, but you should get that cash out with no problem. I've never had any issues with the cash out. I'll show you the full process of receiving it on stake as well. Okay, it looks like our cash out was successful. 24.18 was withdrawn from our balance on FreeCash, and we should have received about $30 on stake. As you can see here in our stake balance, we have $31.43, and it was a gift from FreeCash.com. And if we go back to FreeCash in our notifications, you can see the withdrawal has been sent, so it was deducted from our balance and the cash out was successful. If you do want to get a free $5 when you first sign up, click on the link in my description below, install an app, and then you'll get a $5 bonus. If you found this video at all helpful in validating FreeCash's legitimacy, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel.